name is Safa. Thank you so much for seeing my before video, how to draw Mickey and Minnie Mouse. If you haven't watched it yet, please watch it. I have given the link in the description box. So today I have come up with a paper craft. Some people call it as paper rangoli and other people call it as paper flower. So let's start making. So first of all, we need a square sheet of paper, scissors, pencil and an eraser in case if you get some mistakes. So first I have took here yellow sheet of paper. Now fold it in diagonal. And fold it in half. And now again fold it in a half so that you can get a small triangle. So here you can see I have get a small triangle. It's time to draw the design. So at the top you must give a round, a half circle, and you can draw the other designs you like. So here I have given some ovals, triangles. You can give any types of shapes, designs. At the bottom I gave a half triangle. And now it's time to cut all the designs. So be careful with this design. Be careful with the scissor. If you don't know how to handle a scissor, ask an adult or your parents. My sister helped me with the cutting. And now I'm cutting the last design. It's time to reveal your design. It will be a big surprise. Open carefully or else it will tear. So mine came to be a flower. In the center there is a small star, there is tulips and leaves. So yeah. Every design you just have to do one time so it become repeated at all the sides. The second design, I took a purple sheet of paper, fold it in diagonal and again fold it in half like we did before for the first design. And again fold it in half so that you can get a small triangle. So here I have got a small triangle and now it's time to draw your designs. So at the top we have to give a half triangle. And at the bottom also I'm giving a round, a half round. You can give any type of design. Now it's time to cut everything. So again, be careful with these scissors. If you don't know how to handle a scissor, ask an adult or your parents. Here also my sister helped me with the cutting. And now it's time to reveal your design. So here I have got some other designs. Like there is some flower types. So here the first design I have done, and this is the second design I have done with purple color paper. These are the both designs. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. These are the other designs I have done.